What's up guys, my name is Blake and today we're going to be checking out some great new products from SNO Performance. For many years, SNO Performance has stood true as the water-methanol experts, bringing the most innovative water-methanol systems to those who demand. Once again, SNO Performance is delivering just that. SNO Performance now offers direct port water-methanol injection upgrades to directly mount a water-methanol nozzle into each cylinder while utilizing a complete hardline setup. This is part number SNO-94600h, and this is the SNO Performance 6-cylinder hardline direct port water-methanol upgrade. The 6-cylinder SNO Performance direct port hardline water-methanol upgrade brings you the best possible distribution in a compact, high quality and reliable package built to last and outperform the rest. Part number SNO-94600h will include, of course, the 6-cylinder direct port distribution block, your 6 B-nuts and sleeves, your 1 power solenoid upgrade, your 6 nozzle holders, as well as your 6 hard lines. Now, of course, your nozzles will be sold separately. Now, for more information on part number SNO-94600h, you can contact us via Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or just give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Be sure to like and subscribe, and as always, check out our other great products on SNOperformance.net.